Imagine stepping into a virtual world where you can work, play, and connect without leaving your home. Welcome to the Metaverse. The Metaverse is a shared virtual space, a vast and immersive digital universe where people from all over the world can connect, interact, and create. Imagine a place where the boundaries of reality are blurred and the possibilities are endless. In the Metaverse, the physical and digital worlds merge seamlessly, creating a hybrid environment that enhances our everyday experiences. Think of it as an internet you can walk into, using technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and three-dimensional worlds. These technologies allow us to step inside digital spaces, interact with virtual objects, and even meet other people in a way that feels incredibly real. Whether it's for work, play, education, or socializing, the Metaverse offers a new dimension of possibilities. Imagine attending a virtual concert, exploring a digital art gallery, or collaborating with colleagues in a virtual office. The Metaverse is not just a concept of the future, it's a rapidly evolving space that's already beginning to transform how we live, work, and play. In the Metaverse, you can attend virtual meetings, shop for digital items, play games with friends, or even build your own world, all from anywhere. Imagine starting your day by putting on a VR headset and instantly being transported to a bustling virtual office where you can collaborate with colleagues from around the globe. After work, you might head to a digital marketplace to browse unique virtual goods, from clothing for your avatar to rare collectibles. In the evening, you could join friends in an immersive game, exploring fantastical realms or competing in thrilling challenges. The Metaverse offers endless possibilities for creativity and connection, making it a revolutionary platform for both work and play. It's powered by advanced technologies like VR headsets, Arkansas glasses, and blockchain, which makes it highly decentralized and secure. Platforms like Roblox, Decentraland, and Horizon Worlds are already giving us a taste of the Metaverse. These platforms are not just about gaming anymore, they are evolving into expansive virtual worlds where users can socialize, create, and even conduct business. Imagine attending a virtual concert with friends from around the globe or participating in a virtual real estate auction. The possibilities are endless. Roblox, for instance, has hosted virtual concerts featuring popular artists, while Decentraland allows users to buy, sell, and develop virtual land. Horizon Worlds, on the other hand, offers a space for users to build and explore immersive environments. These examples show how the Metaverse is becoming an integral part of our digital lives, blending entertainment, social interaction, and commerce in unprecedented ways. Experts believe the Metaverse could revolutionize how we live, learn, and work. But we're still at the beginning, there's so much more to come. Curious to explore more about the Metaverse? Hit the subscribe button and join us as we dive deeper into this fascinating future.